guys, welcome to Journey with Jem. Yes, I'm back with another review video. I'm currently staying at the Ibis, Docklands, London, Canary Wharf. This hotel is a 3-star hotel. Let's take a look. When I arrived at the hotel, I was greeted by the concierge who welcomed and thanked me for staying at Ibis London Docklands. I was then told about the breakfast and what time I would like for it to be brought to my room. This hotel had the resources needed for keeping their customers and staff safe. There were hand sanitizers located nearly everywhere within the ground floor reception. Let's take a look at the room. This room was a double suite room located on the 3rd floor. This room had an LCD flat screen TV. As you can see, they have the appropriate measures in place in relation to COVID-19, and if you had any questions, you can contact the reception. Only thing that was missing in this room was the iron and the ironing board, which was nowhere to be found in this room. We had some light essentials like tea, coffee, sugar, milk, and also a kettle. Another great thing about this room was the extension socket, as they only had one socket on the wall next to the bed. And then the bathroom. The lighting in the bathroom was really good. Here I am again with my signature pose. Ooh, the shower. Of course, you guys know I'm going to let you in on the pros and the cons. Let's start off with the pros. First pro would be the breakfast. Let's take a look. The breakfast was just, yes. They gave me an option, to be honest with you. They gave me the option of continental breakfast and a full English. I said, you know what? let me go for the full English this time, because it's not everyday continental breakfast. Today I want something hot. So I went for the full English, and the full English was very full. Very filling. I'll definitely say that. Very filling. Another pro would be the shower. The shower was coming with full vim. Like, it was, the shower was just beautiful. Another pro would be the parking. The reason why I say this is because they do give a discount on the parking, because if you was to park here Monday to Friday during the week, you can only park here after 5:30. During the day you cannot park here because it's a residential area, which is a bit of a downer. Their parking is £12, but it's originally £20. But because you're currently staying at Ibis, they give it to you for £12. Another pro would be the location. The reason why I say this is because it's right next to a train station. It's on the DLR. The station is called Blackwall. Excellent. It's literally less than 10 minutes walk. It's not too far. You can actually see it from the hotel. Another pro would be the customer service. As soon as I came to this hotel, they were just like, hello, how are you doing? I said, oh, hello, I'm fine, thank you very much, how are you? And it just started there. They engaged in conversation, just asking me about my stay here, what am I doing here, how's my day been going so far, and you know, just how am I living with this coronavirus going on? But it was good customer service. I can't complain about the customer service. It was very good. Every staff member says hello to you, they greet you. Sometimes you just need to be greeted in the morning. It's not just walk past and stare at people. Say hello, say hi, wave, do something. But yeah, I won't complain about their customer service, which was excellent. The cons would be the parking. The reason why I say this is a pro and a con. The reason why I say it's a con is because it's a first come, first served basis. So if you do not come during check-in, let's just say check-in is at 3 p.m. If you do not come, you may or you may not get a parking space, and you cannot pre-book the parking, which is a bit of a downer, because they share parking with another shop across the road. But yeah, that's a con. Another con would be the bed. I was so looking forward to this bed, but the bed was just not comfortable at all. I kept waking up during the night. I'm thinking, what's going on? Is there somebody in my room? Why am I not sleeping, please? I'm supposed to be sleeping, having my 8 hours sleep. Kept waking up every single hour. I said, this is not life. This is really not life. They really need to change this mattress, because this mattress was just not doing it. Just not doing it for me. Another con would be this TV. They need more channels, and they need to upgrade to a smart TV. Because I was even trying to connect my iPad and my phone, it wasn't connecting. You get your normal daytime TV channels, you know, BBC One, BBC Two, ITV2, Film 4, which is a bit of a downer. Another con would be, I don't like the carpet. You guys are gonna think I'm mad, but I do not like the carpet. The carpet is just, it's just not doing it for me. The carpet in the hallway, no, sorry, they need to upgrade that. They need to change the carpet, for real. But yeah, I believe that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Journey with Jen.